Good morning, YouTube. This is Tim Treese from Patriot Woodworker. Hey, I've got the CNC finally going. It's really cool. My wife bought me the Carbide Pro for my birthday, and along with the bit runner, so the router can turn on and off on its own through the program, and the zero. I don't know, zero outer thingy. I don't know what it's called.
Zero outer thingy.
I don't know what it's called. I forgot what it's called.
Well, you'll know it when it gets here. You can look at what they call it.
It was supposed to get here Friday, but freaking UPS decided, I don't want to deliver it to you Friday. You're going to wait until Monday. So, you know how you zero this thing out? With a piece of paper, and that sucks because it's a lot of tedious work. There's two things that are going to be added to this whole thing here real quick. One is a hose keeper out of the way thingy that Sam from Samcraft designed and printed. I think that was one of his. Stop laughing. It was one of his. I think it was his second thing that he did. He did his logo, and then that was cool. But then he did that thing, and it swings from the wall. And right now, this hose, well, it works and it does the job. It's constantly dragging on these things.
Words are so hard.
Words are so hard. It's morning. I'm on barely my second cup of coffee, so please bear with me. Not to mention, we're both burning the candles here at both ends, folks, because we got our day jobs, which we do, and then we're doing this, and right now we're cranking out some coasters pretty good. And it's a lot of trial and error. It really is. You can go to Etsy all day long and buy your files, but you know what? You still have to play with the size and how many, and then the type of cut you want to do, whether it's a dog in your face whining all the time, or that's right. Finally.
There he is, pretty boy.
Anywho, so it's a lot of playing around, a lot of monkeying around. She had the great idea of taking some notes on if you're going to experiment with different sizes and type of tool paths you're going to do, whether it's a V-carve, a pocket, or a contour, and all of that, and how big it is, because it really, you're telling the machine how big your stock is, and that's fine, and then how big your piece is, also that's fine, but sometimes it's really tough to center that all on the stock in the program. At least for me it is right now, because I just started with this. Oh, I squirreled myself. The second thing that I'm doing, I can't stand my laptop sitting here. This is a really expensive computer, and being here precariously on the corner freaks me out. So I'm constantly watching the machine, make sure it's not going to hit it. And I'm going to do a little stand. In fact, I've got the wood set up. I just got to slap it together. It's going to be a little simple post, a little thing here. It's going to hold the computer and a mouse pad and a mouse. Because when he's out here, he's so damn big and his tail is so powerful, and he jumps a lot. Yeah, they're talking about you. I don't want him knocking the computer down because it's really expensive. So those are two things: the hose holder dealy thing and the computer
Holder upper thing.
So that'll come next. And yeah, right now I'm about ready to do the zero thingy and then get into carbon. All right, so
all these technical terms.
These are technical terms. All right, so enjoy your morning. Thanks, y'all.